Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete all Google Chrome history. First open your Google Chrome and go to the right hand side, click on this three dot and click on the history option. Then click on the history and here you can see the all search history here showing. Then go to the left hand side and click on the delete browsing data, the third option. And here the one dialog box is open. Delete browsing data, basic and advanced. So here I select the basic and time range. I just click on this drop down arrow and select the all time. Okay. Select this all option browsing data, cookies and other site data, caches images and files. Click on the delete data option and that's it. Here you can see deleted Chrome data. The selected data has been removed from your Chrome sync device. Your Google account may have other form of browsing history like search and activity from other Google search. Okay, got it. That's it. Your search history is deleted, all search history from Google Chrome. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.